Challenge 50, Week 2, Tools 11 to 20. Tool number 11 is the hand vise. The hand vise is used to secure thin material for machining. Tool number 11 is the hand vise. Tool number 12 is the Sash Cramp. The Sash Cramp is used to secure work during assembly. Tool number 12 is the Sash Cramp. Tool number 13 are the odd leg calipers. Odd leg calipers are used to mark lines parallel to the edge of a piece of metal. Tool number 13 is the odd leg calipers. Tool number 14 is the half round file. The half round file is used to file curves in metal and plastic. Tool number 14 is the half round file. Tool number 15 is the nail punch. The nail punch is used to drive nails below the surface of the wood. Tool number 15 is the nail punch. Tool number 16 are the outside calipers. Outside calipers are used to measure outside sizes. Tool number 16 is the outside calipers. Tool number 17 is the Mortise Gauge. The Mortise Gauge is used to mark two lines parallel to the edge of the wood. Tool number 17 is the Mortise Gauge. Tool number 18 is the Forstner Bit. The Forstner Bit is used to drill flat-bottomed holes. Tool number 18 is the Forstner Bit. Tool number 19 is the Brazing Hearth. The Brazing Hearth is used to heat metal for heat treatments. Tool number 19 is the Brazing Hearth. Finally, tool number 20 is the Mortise Chisel. The Mortise Chisel is used to cut square holes for mortise joints by hand. Tool number 20 is the Mortise Chisel.